Have you tried adding left to right? Okay, let's try this one. 300 plus 600 is 900. 40 plus 30 is 70. 8 plus 7 is 15. Let's add all of these numbers. 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 7 plus 1 is 8. This is 985. So of course, adding left to right is an alternative to adding this way, where we went 8 plus 7 is 15. 1 is the remainder. We put 5 there, and 1 is the remainder. Add 1, 4, and 3, you get 8. And then 3 plus 6 is 9. Both ways give us the same answer. And now you have the choice to either choose this one or this one, whatever works best for you. And here's one for you to try. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.